the stories upon stories upon stories upon stories until there's an emotional and architectural collapse.
F'nofs Mejju ħareġ fi swali taċ-ċinema tagħna il-film Żafżifa li l-istorja tiegħu iddur mal-karattru ta' Dimitri, raġel li qed jaffaċċa forma ta' kriżi eżistenzjali huwa jirrealizza li dawk li qreb tiegħu imxew għal opportunitajiet ekonomiċi aħjar. Tajjeb ngħidu li dan il-film inġibed totalment f'Malta, partikolarment hawnhekk f'Buġibba, u b'każ ta' atturi mhux professjonisti minn numri ta' pajjiżi differenti li hija xi ħaġa pjuttost unika għaċ-ċinema Maltija. Illum ġejna niltaqgħu mad-direttur Peter Sant biex jgħidilna aktar dwar it-teknika u dwar il-kunċett ta' dan il-film.
So everything was filmed with open sets, so people come and go, trucks, cars, buses come and go, and also the cast itself are kind of like a representation of the current demographic within the area at the moment. The main character is some Greek Maltese, and there's Tunisians and Filipinos and Pakistanis and Maltese and Polish, because the actors come with their own stories. And in fact, a lot of what you hear and see on film, a lot of those stories are just things that I heard while just hanging around, or things that the actors brought with them, or things that I heard during the casting sessions, or things that just happened on set, or things that just happened when we went to choose locations. So it's these kind of stories that made up the film. The main actor, Dimitri, returns here after a 7-year break, and to find that things have moved on, things have happened. His friends have moved on and taken advantage of the changing economy, and also the people around him have changed. Like there's a lot more diversity and so on and so forth. He decides to separate himself from that progress and become like an outsider, so to speak. So really the film explores this idea of progress and calls up the question, progress towards what exactly? Is it really an upward trajectory, or is it something to be more skeptical of? I'd like to thank Screen Malta and Creative Malta, and also the Arts Council Malta as well, and obviously the cast and crew. It was Mary Lou Capini's final role, so that was a real pleasure to work with her.